Hey everyone, welcome to Google's Keyword Planner, alright? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use it. Don't worry, it's super easy. First, to access this tool, you have two options. Create a Google Ads campaign, spend $10 to unlock it, then use it freely. Or if I'm not mistaken, if you have a Google AdSense account, I think they provide it or used to give it by default. Okay, so I'm just going to teach you how to use it, alright? I won't teach you how to do keyword research for a website or improve its ranking, etc. I'll simply show you how the interface works so you can use it for SEO later, got it? So first of all, we have the option to click on Get Search Volume and Forecast, okay? This allows us to view historical metrics and more, right? Here's where we'd enter a keyword, got it? For example, N8N. We click Get Started and it'll grab the keyword, see? It'll give us a quick example of the data and such, alright? Here we have the planner, okay? As you can see, we have some drop-down menus here, right? With more info on Data Manager, got it? Audiences and such. I'll just explain the planner so we don't... What we'll actually use and what I recommend is this here, okay? The Discover New Keyword feature. Here, what do? Okay, important, we'll enter what we want to discover, right? For example, let's say we want to research, well, let's stick with N8N, okay? We type that in, hit enter, got it? We can add keywords, multiple if we want. Let's add make and Zapier for now. We keep adding them. I think you can use a comma. No, just use enter, okay? Important, what's this? It's the language, okay? We choose based on the language we'll use for our content. If it's in Spanish, we select Spanish, okay? If we want English, we'll search for English, okay? English keywords often yield higher profits than Spanish ones, okay? So if we've chosen English or Spanish, really important. Do we want local searches? If we picked Spanish, do we want results only from Spain? If so, great. If not, we uncheck it, okay? And we click save. Why? Because if we remove it and save, what we're doing is getting the keyword for all locations, right? We click get results and that gives us access to the planner, okay? To all the information. We have the forecast, save keywords, none yet, and negative keywords. Got it? So for example, we have N8N. It shows 100,000 to 1 million monthly searches on Google, okay? With 900% growth and 9,900% year-over-year growth, right? It has the low competition and the lowest CPC or cost per click, okay? The range is from 4 cents to $2.38. As you can see here, we're currently sorted by highest to lowest searches, right? If I remember correctly. We can also sort by highest and lowest growth, right? And the same for year over year, okay? This could be useful if we want to bet on certain keywords. We can choose higher or lower competition, got it? Less competition is generally better. It shows low because 1,000 isn't much, but 100K1M is a big range. To see exact data, we need an active ad campaign, okay? Active or funded, basically. Created, in other words. Then we'd see exact monthly search data, right? Same goes for the competition numbers. But since I don't have any active, it just shows low. If we want the highest paying, we click here to see them. So what can we do next? Once we have the keywords, we can select them and add to a new group. Create the group and add them there, okay? For example, or if you want to add it to an existing campaign for SEM positioning, that is paid ads, go ahead, okay? If not, just create the group, okay? Test group. And as you see, this drop down lets us add them as negatives, okay? As negative keywords, okay? We had an ad group and so on. We can also add the keywords, okay? Now they're basically just saved, okay? So that's how it works, okay? It's that simple.